28th, the 58th day of my thru hike on the Appalachian Trail. The people at the shelter were very kind to make a small space for me to sleep in last night. I tried to be as unobtrusive as possible, and I'm back on the trail this morning. It's about 7:30. The sun is shining, and it is going to be another beautiful day. I don't know if it's sunshine or what. These guys are hanging all over the trail. Something I want to caution everyone about: in Virginia, walking through the bottoms, there's water everywhere. And then you get up to the ridges and there's no water for miles. It was 7 miles to that water source, and technically it was over a mile to retrieve the water. If we hadn't been going to the shelter, we still would have had to stop there for water. And we're going another 7 miles to an unreliable stream. And then from there, it's another 3 to the next shelter. So it's 10 miles to the shelter where there's another reliable water source. So if you're hiking in Virginia, keep in mind the ridges, pay attention to the book, and make sure you have enough water to go from point A to point B. So we got to a flat spot on the ridge we're walking on. We're about 2 miles from the next gap.
My name's Heat. I thru-hiked in 2014.
And you're responsible for this kindness today?
Indeed. I met a lady outside Delaware Water Gap, Mama Shug. She had a daughter that thru-hiked in 2011, I believe, and she did the same thing. Had a ton of trail magic. She did it for like 3 weeks. So when I was there, she was just like, pay it forward, and so here we are.
Nice.
My name is Worm. My full name is Murder Worm.
When did you thru-hike?
In 2015.
How do you feel about day hiking after thru-hiking?
Day hiking after thru-hiking is a lot more of tripping because I'm not used to hiking anymore, so I need to practice more. Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
400 fucking more miles. Duct tape. They should just make the shoe out of duct tape, to be honest. It would last a lot longer.
Tell us about these insoles.
These insoles? I have nice insoles now, but when I first bought the shoes, they were really cheap. And I didn't feel like I paid $50 for the shoes, and I didn't want to put $50 super soles in them because I felt like it was getting a Ford Pinto and putting $2,000 rims on it and then driving around and being like, look at me, I'm so fucking cool. I fucked up. I should have got the rims. Should have got the rims. Yeah, fucked up. Yes.
Do you still day hike after thru-hiking?
I do. Hey, if you're getting outside, if it's nothing, if you can only do day hiking, that's fine. I mean, as long as you're getting outside.
You got any more y'all have any more long distance hikes in your future?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's gonna be my middle life crisis to do the PCT since my quarter life crisis is the AT.
Nice. I think I'm in that quarter life crisis right now.
Yeah, that's the best crisis.
I'm turning 30.
There you go.
All right, thank you. just past the 600-mile mark. We're about 2 miles from the Jerry Knob Shelter. It's like 7 o'clock. Get there right before sundown. And I got my friend Mechanic behind me.
What's up? All right.
Can you tell us what the spirit of a through hike is and versus a day hike?
It's much different. Day hike is a different ball game. Through hike, man, you're in for it. You're in it. For sure, you're in it. It's awesome.
Alright, we got y'all set up some trail magic. What inspired you to do this? I want both of y'all in there.
And I
Close.
did it because... Cut! What's the point of this video? You're gonna be a YouTuber.
On
What is the
YouTube.
point?
It's going on YouTube.